Setting in transition. The purpose is to improve the ability of the setter to set in transition. The setter starts at the net in blocking position. A passer is positioned ready to receive a ball. The coach is on the opposite side of the net ready to toss to a passer. The coach tosses a ball to the passer. The ball is passed to the setter. The setter reads and reacts to the ball being passed. The setter gets in position and sets the ball to the outside target. The drill continues for the designated number of passes. The setter should focus on reading the ball coming off the player's arms. The coach should toss the ball in such a way that creates a certain type of pass. For example, a ball that's tossed deep will force the pass to be off the net. The setter needs to read the situation and come further off the net when preparing to make a set.